All right, we are going to review the current U.S. Supreme Court makeup assignment. Our Chief Justice is John Roberts. He is a conservative, but he is close to the middle of the road. He's the most liberal conservative out of the bunch. And we have Sonia Sotomayor. She is the most liberal justice we have. Ruth Bader Ginsburg is also very liberal. She is close to retirement, along with Elena Kagan and Stephen Breyer, who are also both liberals. For conservatives on the court, we have Samuel Alito, Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Clarence Thomas. And again, also slightly conservative is the Chief Justice John Roberts. So the makeup right now is 5-4 in favor of conservatives on the United States Supreme Court. The two justices that President Trump nominated and were appointed to the Supreme Court were Neil Gorsuch and Brett Kavanaugh, which obviously, like President Trump, are both conservatives. Now, the balance of the court can be very important. When an issue comes to the court, they have to make a decision, and it can affect law throughout our entire country. We live in a system called common law, where the court's precedent plays a major role because the lower courts will follow the precedent they set. That's called stare decisis. But anyway, if you think back to a topic we talked about throughout the year a lot, about the gay marriage case, for example, that was before some of the conservative justices that President Trump appointed were on the court. So the balance was different then. So that decision that was made basically said that no state could make gay marriage illegal. In 2020, there's going to be a few cases heard on abortion, and a big one being heard on abortion. So now with a conservative-dominated court, we'll see how that turns out. But definitely the political ideologies of the justices and the makeup in the court can have a huge impact on law. Some other things that you might have found that you could argue have an impact on the way justices decide are things like their race or ethnicity, their gender, age, sexual preference, or religion. So these could all impact the way they side on a case, but in reality, all those things typically are things that shape your political ideology. So hopefully you did all right finding all that stuff on the worksheet. Have a great day.